Wicked Wendy. I thought I like to share my experience with dyeing my hair with you guys and show you how I do my process. And so right now, first thing I do is you gotta brush your hair out. I have not washed my hair since yesterday, so I got all my natural greases because yeah, you don't want no chemical burn. I'm in my Bob Ross Good Vibes t-shirt. It's my dyeing t-shirt, as you can tell from previous flats. This is what I'm dealing with. It's my natural hair color, and then my swamp. Yeah, it's really gross. So now we're gonna go ahead and brush it. Hair is brushed out. As you can see, it is looking not very blonde. We're gonna bleach the crap out of it. Okay, we're gonna mix some bowl right here. One cannot dye their hair without a mini whisk. My preferred brand to use for bleach and hair dye is Ion. I've been exploring with Arctic Fox and Manic because they're vegan and don't test on animals. This is what I use. Pretty velvet, and I got a sensitive skin because my ass is sensitive. Then I use this lightening powder, Manic, cheapo brush, some gloves because you gotta protect them hands. So that's what I got for bleaching. Now we're gonna go ahead and focus on me stirring it up. So what I'm gonna do, apply it to the hair. So I usually go back to front, and then I do roots last, because as we all know, if you do them all at once, your shit's gonna come out different colors, and that's not cool. Alright, let's go ahead and separate it out. It's a good idea to use this little end piece right here to separate it out.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always.
I guess I'll do a little story time while I'm doing this part. But when I was a little baby, I loved rubbing lotion all over me. And one day, I thought my mom's Nair bottle with lotion. So, I decided to put it all on my head. So, it's like the back of my hair is thick, but the top of my head is super thin. Why would you dye your hair if you have super thin hair? I'll tell you. Because I'm tired of having brown hair. My hair is super quick to change. Yeah, no, if you get like I have a really dark thin hair, if you get the sensitive stuff, and you don't leave it in your hair very long, like as soon as you see it start changing colors, like my hair only got this blonde. This is the second process I put to my hair. So the second time bleaching it. So I'm hoping it won't be so brassy, as you can tell, because after all the blue faded, it turned really brassy. It'll turn more of a white platinum blonde since this is my second processing. And if you guys are wondering, I waited over 2 months to give it time to, you know, get back to its natural state and that crunchy hay. Because we don't want crunchy hay here. Hay is for horses.
Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. This I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay.
Head's on fire. Get stuff, share it out. Not that, baby. And you get to go. Ooh, it's changing. See, I'm telling you, this stuff works really fast. That's why you cannot leave it in for an hour. I see so many people, horror stories, where people leave their stuff in their hair for a whole hour. But that is crazy. Like, how are you gonna do that to yourself? Like, that's how you get chunks of it coming off and crimbly bits because you leave it in for so long. Like, man, I wish I can rinse it out right now, but I am just waiting on my damn roots. Good wait. I'm okay with that. It's gonna be blue. It don't have to be perfect if you put color on top of it. Am I right? I'm not going blonde. I'm going blue. Alright, I'll see you guys when it's all dry. Hi! It's been a couple days later since we did the blonde. Missing spots. It's always behind my ears. You see it? You see the little bluish green crap? Yeah. This is what we're working with. Guess what? We're at the next step. We're gonna turn this baby blue. So let me go and show you what I'm using. So for our roots, we are gonna use the Manic Shocking Blue. So funny because they did not have at Sally's. So I bought online from Sally's and they had all the Manic Panics there. Thank God. But yeah, that's gonna be for the main part of my roots because I really like dark roots. I like it when it goes dark to light. Something like that. I mean, it's not going to be exactly like that, but we're going to get real close to it. When we're done doing my roots, I'm going to use what's left over and mix it with Poseidon Arctic Fox for a really nice blue hue. I know they're two different brands, but they mix really nicely. So, okay, so of course the first step is going to be brushing out this. This is my hair for work today. But get to brushing. Oh yeah, spot sexy. Now you can see my roots are a lot darker than the rest of my hair. That's because I did not leave it long enough. I chickened out and I rinsed it out because it's really freaking hot and bothering me so bad. I couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't take the heat. That's why I don't work in a kitchen. Baby hairs. Okay, I'm done brushing. It's driving me nuts. Now, I'm going to go ahead and section off my bottom because I already know I'm going to start. Oh wait, I'm doing roots first. What am I doing? Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I won't show the mixing of the colors because I got to touch my camera and I'm not doing that. Go ahead and get some gloves on. Nice color. Really hoping this sticks. because I wanted to. First step.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light did, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds.
You guys ever like know somebody who should be monitored by an adult other than themselves all the time? Them people. I literally just got blue all over my bathroom. I'll show you once I get the gloves off. Alright, let's go to town.
I just see the light when everything is silent, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light did, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
Okay, let's see the damages. Oof. Ooh, look at that neck. Oof. My back look good? Alright, I say we're good. Let's go ahead and take his gloves off. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Everywhere. I'll show you my bathroom. Oh man. Oh, I got a lot of cleaning. Oh, it's on my hand. Oof. Hey. Oh my gosh. Got on my wall. And my curtain. Whoa. I got. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you guys. Someone, please. Send help. Yeah, girl, this is why you put Vaseline. This is why you buy Vaseline. This is what happened. Shower cap. I didn't forget that. I'm gonna clean myself up in my bathroom. And I'll get back to you when it's all rinsed out. Now, I love those little packets of freaking conditioner they give you at Sally's. Now, when I do a color, I always do an after color treatment. So, I'm going to put this in my hair after I rinse it out. So, my color is very vibrant for a long time. You tell me, if there's a professional who's watching this, I'm sorry you had to witness what I've done to myself. Alright, I'll get back to you guys. Hi. So, did my makeup, and this is the end result. Wow. It turned out perfect. I've been actually trying to reach this shade of blue since high school, and I'm always too light with it. Every time I tried, it always turned way too light. But yeah, I freaking love it. Everybody at work really digged it. People were asking me if I was dyeing my hair with Kool-Aid. Nah, you saw what I used. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel, and thank you so much for checking this video out. And Brad Mondo, if you watch this, I hope I didn't mess this up too bad. I mean, I don't see any spots missing. I'm hoping that this doesn't seem like a fail. Like, my hair's still really healthy. I did straighten it. It's naturally curly, but I like it. The straightened looks way better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you know when I upload new videos. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.